Well, a dog rescued from the South Carolina wildfires now has a new home, and that caught my eye today. Emergency responders found her near an active fire line last month and named her Ember. The folks at the animal shelter who took care of her say despite searching, they couldn't find her original family. Now a firefighter is stepping in to rescue the pup once again by adopting her.
She's very shy, she's very reserved, so you can only imagine the fear that she was feeling to be able to have approached the firefighters seeking for help. And thankfully, it was the right one that found her, picked her up, they fed her, gave her comfort, gave her shelter.
So this firefighter and her new mom says she will take Ember to live with her in Oregon once the fires have been put out. So she must have traveled there to help with the fires, and she's going home with a new baby.
That is a cute pup.
I know, very cute.